What's up, road warriors? Get ready to turn your ride into a powerhouse of style, comfort, and smart innovation. I've handpicked over 20 epic car gadgets that make driving smoother, smarter, and way more fun, all without breaking the bank. From clever organizers to tech upgrades, these picks are total game changers. And hey, all the links are right below, so tap in and upgrade your ride today. Let's kick things off with this smart car air freshener. Not only does it keep your cabin smelling amazing, but it also works intelligently, releasing bursts of fragrance exactly when you need them. Compact, sleek, and stylish, it blends seamlessly into any interior while turning your car into a refreshing oasis. Whether it's daily commutes or long road trips, this gadget keeps your environment pleasant, inviting, and instantly mood-boosting, making every drive more enjoyable. Up next, bring order to your trunk chaos with this collapsible car trunk organizer. Designed for versatility and convenience, it neatly holds groceries, tools, sports gear, or travel essentials, keeping them from rolling around. Strong yet lightweight, it folds flat for easy storage when not in use. Its smart compartments make loading and unloading simple, while the durable construction ensures it stands up to heavy use. This organizer transforms clutter into clean, accessible, and stress-free storage for every journey. Moving along, make rear seat entertainment effortless with this car headrest tablet holder. Perfect for family road trips or long drives. It keeps your tablet secure, hands-free, and at the ideal viewing angle. Quick to install and compatible with a wide range of devices, it transforms the back seat into a personal theater. Sturdy, adjustable, and safe, it entertains passengers without distractions for the driver. With this clever gadget, you'll keep everyone happy, focused, and enjoying every mile of the journey. Right after that, capture every moment and drive safely with this 4K dash cam setup. Ultra clear video records every detail of your journey, day or night, while loop recording and motion detection make it reliable and hassle-free. Compact yet powerful, it blends seamlessly with your windshield and provides peace of mind in case of accidents or unexpected events. Sleek, smart, and indispensable, this dash cam is not just a gadget, it's a trusted companion that protects, records, and elevates your driving experience. Meanwhile, if you're tired of losing items between your seats, these car seat gap fillers are the fix you need. Slim, durable, and easy to install, they tuck perfectly between your seats and center console, stopping coins, phones, or keys from disappearing into the abyss. Their sleek design adds subtle elegance to your interior while improving everyday convenience. Practical, affordable, and clever, these fillers keep your cabin organized and clutter-free, so you can focus on the drive without fumbling for lost essentials during those busy commutes. Coming up for longer trips, check out this rooftop cargo carrier bag. Available in multiple sizes, it's perfect for family getaways, sports gear, or extra luggage, expanding your storage space while keeping items safe from weather or dust. Lightweight, durable, and easy to mount, it's designed for seamless use and stress-free travel. With this bag, you'll free up your cabin, stay organized, and hit the road with confidence, knowing all your essentials are securely stored above and ready for any adventure. Now let's keep rolling with these car headrest hooks. Sturdy, sleek, and super practical. They hold bags, groceries, purses, or jackets neatly off the floor. No more clutter or sliding items during sharp turns. Everything stays organized and easy to reach. Quick to install and universally compatible, they transform wasted space into a smart storage solution. With these hooks, your car interior feels cleaner, more spacious, and perfectly organized for everyday adventures. Next on deck, stay informed and safer on the road with this heads-up display for cars. Bright, clear, and easy to read, it projects key information right in your line of sight, helping you monitor speed, navigation, and alerts without taking your eyes off the road. Sleek, compact, and high-tech, it elevates your driving experience with cutting-edge convenience. This gadget keeps you focused, confident, and in control, turning every drive into a smarter, safer, and more enjoyable journey. Before you hit the road, make safety a priority with this car glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. Compact, durable, and easy to access, it's an essential lifesaver for emergencies. Whether you need to break a window or cut a stuck seatbelt, this tool ensures you're prepared for the unexpected. Lightweight and strategically designed, it fits perfectly in your glove compartment or console, giving peace of mind without clutter. With this gadget on hand, every drive feels safer, smarter, and worry-free. And if you want to keep your phone secure and accessible, this magnetic car phone mount is a game changer. Strong, stylish, and ultra convenient, it holds your device firmly in place while giving you hands-free control for GPS, calls, or music. Quick to install and compatible with most phones, it keeps your dashboard clutter-free and your focus on the road. Sleek, practical, and reliable, this mount turns your phone into a smart co-pilot, making navigation, entertainment, and multitasking effortless while driving safely. And hey, all these awesome car gadgets are linked right below. Tap those links, grab your favorites, and start upgrading your ride today. Alright, up next, tackle messes instantly with this 4-in-1 handheld cordless car vacuum. Powerful, lightweight, and versatile, it easily cleans crumbs, dust, pet hair, and spills in every corner of your vehicle. Its cordless design lets you reach tight spaces without hassle, while multiple attachments handle carpets, mats, and upholstery efficiently. Compact and easy to store, it keeps your cabin spotless with minimal effort. With this gadget, maintaining a clean, fresh, and comfortable interior has never been easier or more satisfying. While we're at it, let's take car washing to the next level with this foam cannon. Perfect for a spotless, streak-free finish, it delivers thick, luxurious foam that clings to every surface for maximum cleaning power. Simple to attach, adjustable, and designed for efficiency, it makes car detailing fast, fun, and professional grade. Durable and easy to use, it turns routine washing into an enjoyable experience, protecting your paint and enhancing shine. With this foam cannon, your ride will look showroom ready every time you hit the driveway. Now here's a clever one. This steering wheel tray, perfect for meals on the go, work, or even tablet use. It gives you a stable, convenient surface without cluttering your cabin. Sturdy, lightweight, and easy to install. It snaps securely onto your wheel while remaining easy to remove. Whether for snacks, paperwork, or small gadgets, this tray turns your car into a functional mini workspace, combining practicality, comfort, and clever design for everyday drives. Right after that, for those who love a spotless interior, this car cleaning gel is a game changer. Soft, pliable, and super effective. It reaches into vents, cup holders, dashboards, and tight crevices to lift dust and dirt instantly. Safe for all surfaces, it leaves your interior spotless without scratches or residue. Compact and reusable, it's perfect for quick touch-ups or deep cleans. With this handy gel, every drive feels fresh, organized, and inviting, giving your car that satisfying, just cleaned feel effortlessly. Up ahead, protect your sunglasses with this magnetic sunglasses holder. Sleek, strong, and ultra convenient. It keeps your shades within easy reach while preventing scratches or lost glasses. Compact yet robust, it attaches effortlessly to your visor or dashboard, blending seamlessly into your interior. Practical and stylish, it's one of those small gadgets that make life easier and drives more enjoyable. With your glasses secure, you're ready for sunny commutes or road trips with confidence and flair. Now, let's keep it smart with this car code reader. Compact, user-friendly, and precise. It scans your vehicle for trouble codes and helps diagnose problems before they escalate. Whether you're a casual driver or a DIY mechanic, it saves time, money, and stress. Sleek and easy to store, it keeps essential diagnostic tools at your fingertips. With this gadget, you'll feel empowered, informed, and ready to handle minor car issues like a pro, keeping your ride safe and smooth. And speaking of comfort, this car cup holder expander with tray is here to level up your daily drive. Perfect for drinks, snacks, or small items. It keeps everything secure and easy to reach while driving. Durable, stylish, and simple to install. It prevents spills and clutter while maximizing interior convenience. Its smart, thoughtful design turns your console into a functional mini hub, making every commute or road trip more comfortable. With this gadget, practical organization and enhanced comfort are always within easy reach. Coming right after that, keep your car tidy and eco-friendly with this compact car trash can. Sturdy, leak-proof, and easy to clean. It holds waste securely while preventing spills and odors. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into cup holders, doors, or the floor, keeping your cabin organized and clutter-free. Perfect for long drives, daily commutes, or family trips. It ensures trash is always under control. With this simple yet essential gadget, your car stays clean, fresh, and stress-free, making every ride more enjoyable for you and passengers. Now, this one's for the pros. This dual-lens endoscope camera, flexible, precise, and easy to use. It lets you check engines, vents, or tight spots without disassembly. High-definition imaging and adjustable lighting make inspections effortless and accurate, saving time and avoiding costly mistakes. Compact and portable, it's a must-have for DIY maintenance or curious car enthusiasts. With this gadget, exploring, troubleshooting, and maintaining your vehicle becomes simpler, smarter, and more efficient than ever before. Next up, for total peace of mind, check out this GPS smart tracker. Sleek, discreet, and reliable. It provides real-time tracking, notifications, and geofencing for complete security. Easy to install and compatible with mobile apps, it keeps you connected to your vehicle anywhere, anytime. Whether for safety, fleet management, or personal use, it's a smart solution to protect your ride. With this tracker, you'll drive confidently, knowing your car's location and status are always under control. Now finally, let's wrap it up with a true roadside lifesaver. This electric car jack. Compact, powerful, and built for emergencies, it lifts your car effortlessly with just the push of a button. No more sweating over manual jacks or struggling on the side of the road. Whether it's a flat tire, roadside repair, or quick maintenance, this gadget has your back. Fast, reliable, and easy to store. It's the ultimate must-have for every driver who values safety, speed, and peace of mind. And that's your ultimate lineup of must-have car gadgets. Each one is designed to boost comfort, add convenience, and make every drive smoother, smarter, and way more exciting. All the links are down below. Grab your favorites and bring these practical, stylish upgrades to your ride. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome car gadgets, accessories, and driving hacks. Hitting the road has never been this effortless or fun.